So guys, before we get into this video, I just want to tell you something. I am going to I'm going to give you the results of that fidget spinner, see what happened to it in the next video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey, this is Ninja Merm today. Hi, and I am in my garage and these fidget spinners. We're going to do a 1000 RPM challenge. So right now we hooked it up, all in there. So yeah, just gonna turn this on, and now we just wait until that thing, the tank fills up. So what I got here and here is that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, ready? Let's see it. 3, 2, 1. Dude. Oh my god. Dude. Take a look at this. Dude, that feels so weird.